Hi and welcome everyone. I want to welcome you to the Ultimate Affiliate Transformation Blueprint, how to build a profitable, resilient affiliate marketing business in 2026. Happy New Year. This is a video, my first video. I haven't done one in a while, and just want to welcome you to this presentation. My name is Fabio from highticketaffiliate101.com. If you go to that link, you'll get a free course on how to build a profitable affiliate business. It's absolutely free and I encourage you to do it. Now, the information I'm going to present to you now is going to help you actually take your business further, your affiliate marketing business further. Okay, so again, we're going to show you how to build a profitable, resilient affiliate marketing business in 2026, because as we know, it's more competitive than ever. Rising ad costs, stricter platform rules, declining organic reach, and lower consumer trust have reshaped the industry. Yet, while many affiliates struggle, others are quietly scaling to six figures and beyond with lean teams, simple systems, and zero hype. Okay. Now, these are principles that I've taken on myself, and not realizing it at the time, it really helped my affiliate business. Okay, so this affiliate transformation blueprint, we're going to break down the challenges affiliate marketers face today, and the exact solutions that transform these obstacles into growth accelerators. Okay, so if you want to build a stable, thriving, future-proof affiliate business, this blueprint will be your roadmap. Okay, so I'm happy to have you here. Let's get on to the next slide. Okay, so these are actually insights, and this first insight is to navigate saturation with micro niching. Okay, now the broad niches, health, wealth, relationships, crypto, AI, travel, they're all saturated, but the affiliates who win don't compete in the big niches. They dominate micro niches where they can stand out instantly. As an example, let's say if you're in the fitness niche, instead of being broad fitness as such, strength training for nurses. Okay, so you can see how specific that is. Or menopause fitness for women over 40. Okay, or 10-minute home workouts for dads. Okay, so you are actually calling out either a profession or a market segment there. Okay, so these micro niches are still huge markets, okay, but they don't feel crowded. And by narrowing your focus, you can become recognizable expert instead of another generic promoter. Okay, so that's the goal here, to make you a recognizable expert instead of a generic promoter. So this transformation principle is pretty much that small niches create big authority, and big authority creates easy conversions. Okay, so I should have said grab a piece of paper and pen now and write these down, and also write any sort of aha moments that you have. Okay, the second transformation principle is beat declining organic reach with content repurposing. Okay, so organic reach is down across all the major platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Google, Instagram. Now the solution isn't just to post more, okay, it's to post smart by repurposing, let's say, one long piece of content into dozen formats. And this approach gives you omnipresence, which means that you're found everywhere, okay, while saving time. And algorithms reward consistency across formats, and repurposed content scales your reach far beyond what one platform can do. Okay, and your content done right will also show not only in the search engines or other platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, but also other AI platforms, whether you're using ChatGPT, Perplexity, DeepSeek. That will also help give that exposure with your content repurposing being right. So as you know, a lot of people are actually going to these platforms to search information and how to do things as well. So a blog post, as an example, can become a YouTube tutorial, 6 to 8 short form vertical videos, an Instagram carousel, a LinkedIn post, a Pinterest pin, and an email newsletter. And to that, I could also add a little podcast on some platforms like Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Okay, so just think of this. This is actually a huge time saver because we all know that creating content is very time consuming. So being able to repurpose the content is going to actually not only be a time saver, but get you that omnipresence, that exposure out online. So I suppose this transformation principle is about being everywhere your audience is without creating content from scratch. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, so how do we escape rising costs and we do this by building funnels, not just links. Okay, so many times, and I was guilty of this back in the day, where I would just go out and post links hoping, and I call that hopium, that people would actually click on the link and buy the affiliate product. Okay, and we also know today paid traffic is expensive and it's also increasingly regulated. Okay, so many affiliates lose money running cold traffic straight to affiliate pages. The high-earning affiliates do the opposite. They build simple funnels that warm up their prospects before sending them to offers. Okay, so a high-converting funnel has, and it doesn't have to be complicated, has 1, a lead magnet to capture emails, a nurturing sequence to build trust, because that is a massive currency. Trust is the currency at the moment. A bridge page that explains the offer. So a bridge page is exactly like a bridge getting you from the offer to the sale, but it explains the offer. And also, if you did want to spend some money, targeted retargeting ads. Okay, so email marketing is where most of the profit lives. You own your list. You build trust. And you're not at the mercy of ad bans, having your ads banned, or algorithmic shifts, okay, within the platforms. So this transformation principle is your email list becomes your traffic source and your long-term profit engine. Okay. Next, beat platform restrictions by owning your own ecosystem. So it's a bit like what I said in the previous slide about owning your email list. Okay, so affiliate marketing has become riskier as platforms tighten their rules. Google, TikTok, YouTube, and Meta frequently flag or ban accounts with affiliate links. So future-proof your own business, your affiliate marketing business, by having your own blog or content hub, your email list, as we spoke about before, a private community, so you can build deeper relationships and engagements, so whether it's on Discord, Facebook, a Facebook group, Slack, Telegram, and also have a resource library or a tutorial site where you provide ongoing value and authority. Okay, so you control the ecosystem, you control your audience, and you control your income. Okay, and this principle, this allows you to rely less on a single platform, and the more stable your business becomes by doing so. Okay. Okay. Again, you can go to highticketaffiliate101.com. I cover some of these principles, or most of these principles, in the masterclass there. It's free, and you also get a workbook, so I highly recommend doing that. And yeah, let me know what you think. So the fifth area is increasing conversions by becoming a trusted curator. As I said before, trust is a currency in itself. It's a priceless currency. So consumers are overwhelmed by fake reviews and AI generated content. Okay, so your competitive edge in 2026 is authenticity. Instead of selling products, become a trusted curator. Offer genuine comparisons between product A and product B, or course A, course B, depending on what you're selling. Real-world test results. Okay, so if you've got any data, that's going to give you credibility and also create trust. Screenshots, before and after photos, and pros and cons. Okay, don't be afraid to list if you're doing any reviews, the pros and cons of the product as you see it, and of course, who's the product for. Okay. So there's some tips there, and I think the more honest your content is, the higher your conversions. And this transformation principle and this insight really it converts. It's about trust converting better than hype. Okay, transparency converts better than persuasion. Let's move on to the next insight. Partner only with high-quality affiliate programs. Okay, one of the biggest frustrations affiliates face today is unreliable merchants. Lost tracking, reduced commissions, shortened cookie windows, and poor support. Now, the solution is to partner only with programs that offer, possibly, if this is your business model, which is I highly recommend, recurring commissions, high conversion rates, long cookie days, so anywhere between 60 to 90 days, consistent payouts, transparent dashboards, so the transparency is important. A reliable program that protects your income and gives you compounding revenue over time. Okay, and build your own tracking and attribution system if you can. Tracking is becoming more difficult due to privacy regulations and cross-device behavior. Instead of relying entirely on a merchant's tracking, implement UTM parameters, link cloaking, first-party pixels, email opt-ins, or custom tracking dashboards, okay, if you can. So again, controlling your tracking is controlling your revenue as well. Okay, so these are the little things that make a big difference. I remember listening to a marketer many years ago using the phrase, small hinges swing big doors. And these are the small hinges, and I want the doors to swing big for you. Okay. Okay, so insight number 8, create trust assets, not just content. Okay, so the internet is flooded with low effort content. The affiliates who dominate today focus on trust building content that positions them as authorities. So things like real case studies, side-by-side product shout-outs, okay, or comparisons, tutorials with screen recordings, a bit like this, okay, personal stories, myth-busting content, and something along the lines of, I tested this for 30 days, sort of content, just to give, it actually gives authenticity, okay, and Google and the social platforms and the other search engines all reward for originality, but audiences reward authenticity. Okay, so this transformation principle is one high-quality trust asset beats 50 generic blog posts. Okay, so yeah, that's your insight number 8. Let's move to the next one. And that is focus on these 5 high impact skills: keyword research, on-page search engine optimization, content optimizations, email list building, okay, and analysis, okay, analytics, okay. So it's that's so important. Mastering these pillars eliminates guesswork, exponentially increases your earning potential too. Okay, so it's what's known as skill stacking is the fastest way for long-term freedom. Okay, so build a personality-driven brand. Now, not all of us like showing our faces on online, and I totally understand that. But don't be afraid, to do so. with trust at an all-time low, as I said, trust is a currency in itself, okay, and it's priceless. Faceless affiliate brands do struggle, okay. So people want to buy from people, especially people who share their values, experiences, or struggles. So if you can show your face, at least let them know your story, your results, your journey, and also the mistakes that you've made, okay? So this makes you relatable, memorable, and credible, okay? So this transformation principle is your personality is your most powerful differentiator, okay? You're unique. Okie doke. Okay, finally, protect yourself with diversified traffic, okay? The days of relying on a single platform are over. If TikTok and Google changes tomorrow, you need backup traffic streams as an example. So again, email, your own list is going to be your golden ticket, I believe. YouTube, there are other video platforms out there too. Pinterest, retargeting ads, and X content, or what used to be known as Twitter, and TikTok search optimized content as well. Okay, so if you've got the time to create all these, and as I said, going back to an earlier principle, using one long form piece of content to actually help with repurposing, this will help you as well. So the diversification gives your business resilience. Okay, so this transformation principle is one algorithm change should never destroy your income. Okay, so that's the transformation. Okay, and the insight is protect yourself with diversified traffic. Finally, fix cash flow by mixing fast and recurring offers. Okay, so cash flow issues kill most affiliates. Okay, some programs take 30 to 90 days to pay out. There is some that are less, of course. To stay financially stable, combine fast paying offers, recurring SaaS offers, so software as a service, okay, or any other recurring offers, high ticket offers as well, and sort of evergreen products too. Okay, this creates long-term and short-term income streams. Okay. Alrighty, let me just bring that there. Okay, so hopefully you got a lot out of this video. Let me just go back to here. You got a lot out of this video. It's great to have you with me. Hopefully it's been educational. Again, go to highticketaffiliate101.com. I will have a coaching offer. If you're interested, please get in touch. I will leave the details underneath this video. Other than that, I wish you all the very best with your affiliate marketing business, and please put into action what you've just learned. Okay, because a lot of people have the knowledge, but they don't have the applied knowledge, and I don't want you to be one of those people that just has the knowledge. I want you to have the applied knowledge. So all the very best. Take care, and I'll see you in a future video.